Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We have a very short video today. Basically, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to select items in AutoCAD using the mouse. Alright, in a lot of videos, persons see me selecting items usually with a box, a blue or a green box, but you may not understand exactly how I get it done. So this video is an explainer. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we're gonna use an ellipse that I've drawn before as our example. I'm dragging from left to right. I'm keeping my finger pressed on the left mouse button, and you can see that the highlighted area is blue. Now I'm going to drag from right to left, keeping my finger on the button, and you'll see that the highlighted area is now green. Now there's a reason for this, and I will explain it as we go along. Now this is what it looks like when you leave your finger on the button, on the left click mouse button. Now in the left to right drag, it only selects lines that are totally covered. The left to right drag only selects lines that are totally covered. Whereas in the right to left drag, or the green drag, once any part of a line is covered, the entire line is selected. So the blue, or left to right, the entire line must be covered. The green, or right to left, the only part of the line needs to be covered. What I'm doing now is I just clicked the left mouse button, I let it go, and then I dragged the mouse. So that's how you get this square, and you can see that I covered basically everything. This is left to right. So I did it again, but you realize that only some of the lines are highlighted because I covered the entire line. That's how the blue highlight works. Now I'm going to do it with the green highlight, and you can see that although I only touched certain parts of lines, there are way more lines highlighted, and that's because that is how the green highlight works. Alright, so blue highlight, or left to right, you have to cover the entire line, and green highlight, or right to left, you only need to cover a part of the line in order for it to be selected. So you can see me doing it here again. Left to right, or blue highlight, the entire line must be covered, and this is right to left, or green highlight, you only need to touch a part of the line and it will be selected. I hope this makes selecting lines and objects easier for you in AutoCAD. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe.